Hey everyone, welcome back. If the app Starling keeps on crashing, do not worry, this is a common issue. First, head over to your settings app and then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and make sure you have enough storage because low storage space can cause the app to crash. Next, swipe out on the bottom of your screen and close all the apps that are running in the background. Then reopen the Starling app. Now restart your phone to clear system errors. Then head over to your app store, search for Starling and make sure that the app is updated. If the app is not updated, update it because issues like that sometimes happen because you are using the outdated version. Now if it still crashes on Android, go ahead and clear the app's cache, or you could long press on the app icon and then click on remove app, then delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store, search for Starling and download the Starling app again. Now your app should run smoothly again. Thanks for watching.